Namuhla uMnyango wezamanzi nokuthuthwa kwendle wase-Gauteng usingathe isigaba sokuqala somncintiswano okuyi-South African Water Prize eJohannesburg eBotanical Gardens. Lo mncintiswano ugxile kubafundi bezibalo nesayensi kusukela kwa-grade 9 kuya kwa-grade 11 ezindaweni ezahlukahlukene esifundazweni. Lolu hlelo ngokubambisana ne-Stockholm International Water Institute luyingxenye yomzamo womnyango wokuqwashisa kokusetshenziswa kwamanzi ngendlela efanele kanye nokuhlomisa intsha yaseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi ibe abaholi bakusasa ekuphathweni kwemithombo yamanzi.
Umnyango wezamanzi nenhlanzeko kuleli ubambe isigaba sokuqala somncintiswano i-South African Youth Water Prize esifundazweni saseGoli ngenhloso yokugqugquzela nokuqwashisa kabanzi ngokubaluleka kokunakekelwa kwamanzi kanye nengqalasizinda yawo.
We are having what we call South African Youth Water Prize competition, which is the Gauteng provincial competition. This is a science and innovation program that we are running for science and mathematics learners who are doing grade 9, 10 and 11. It's for the Department of Water and Sanitation. We are here trying to improve the learners and empower them to take careers in the water and science industry. The competitions is starting at the provincial. From provincial it goes to national, and the winners will be representing South Africa at the Sweden Stockholm International Water Prize.
Who is eligible to participate in the competition and how can they get involved?
The learners who are interested in joining the programs, who are doing mathematics and physical science, and who are interested to join the careers in water and sanitation, they can visit our website www.dws.gov.za.
Kusenjalo abazophumelela kulo mncintiswano babekelwe izipho ezifana nalezi.
Mozansi, remember water is important. Water is life, sanitation is its dignity. Let's conserve, preserve and take care of this precious resource. Thank you.
Lo mncintiswano kulindeleke ukuba ubanjwe ezingeni likazwelonke mhla zingu-30 kwephezulu eKempton Park. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseJohannesburg.